This is a demo of a AI software that we made for a wall covering company. And basically the problem we were trying to solve was they were doing a lot of this by hand, keeping track of their customers, calculating their estimates, and we just wanted to go ahead and take a lot of that load off of their shoulders because it was costing a lot of man hours every single day and every single week. And so here's basically how it works. We have a board of the different estimates. We have drafts, we have those that are in review, those that are submitted, and then those that are archived. If you need to archive somebody, you can just click on this and then just move them over to archives. And then if you need to restore somebody, you can just click on this and then you can restore them. It'll take them right on back to what stage they were at before. So starting at the beginning, you can click on this and it'll take you directly to the person. It has their name, address, phone, all that information. You can have designer. You have a note on here. You can say, hey, here's who the wallpaper is going to be bought by. Is it the company? Is it the client? And then you can have the room down here of here's exactly what we need for this house. Um, and then a lot of different nice features over here for this company specifically. They want these different features of what's the shape of the wall, and it automatically calculates exactly what they need. And I'll show you that on the next page. Then you have additional details down here. You can say, hey, we need this and this and this for the prep, and we need this. And then we also are going to be doing the ceiling, which is going to be whatever by whatever, right? And it's going to be 12 feet tall, and I can go ahead and I can add photos, I can add a note, and I can also add an additional room down here, and I can add as many rooms as I need, okay? And then when I'm ready, I can just go ahead and say, great, let's go ahead, let's submit this estimate, boom, and then it goes ahead and it submits, okay? Now, let's say that I come over here and I go to one of the people that I'm reviewing. uh, then all I do is it's super simple. I can see exactly what the details are of the person, who's buying the wallpaper, and then it automatically does all of these calculations for me. Um, the wall, the wallpaper, how long it is, the wallpaper cost, the rolls, and then the pricing for each of the rooms, right? And imagine having to do all of this by hand and how many errors you'd probably make every single day just trying to stay on top of all these complex equations because they are pretty complex, right? And then two, just keeping it, just taking out all that grunt work. So they were pretty excited with how it turned out. And then the nice part is at the end of it, you just click on this create QuickBooks estimate, and then it automatically creates an estimate exactly like this instantaneously in QuickBooks. Okay, which is really cool. Then we added a feature where they can edit the person and any edits that they make on this, then it automatically goes ahead and adjusts the equation over here. And then same with having a history of here's exactly who submitted it and here's exactly what happened and everything. And so you have a history of everybody that's touched the software. We also added an admin side of things where you can add different admins back here. You can say project manager, assistant, and the admin. You can see archived. Then you have the different rates of, hey, here are the different areas that we have. You can select the different counties. You can select the different states. Um, and then you can edit them as well. All of this is editable. We want to give the power in the business owner's hands of being able to adjust it. And then here's the calculation of how everything is broken down. So it's easy to train other people. And then obviously it's connected to QuickBooks. So yeah, that's a quick demo of our wallpaper AI software.